The following message was transmitted at the request of the Jackson County Emergency Management. A civil danger warning has been issued for Jackson County, but mainly in the city of Kansas City. There are reports that people's garden has suddenly begun to experience crop failure. All flowers and other plants have stopped growing and started to shred down to the ground. Local authorities will look into the situation. As of right now, do not pick any plants from the decaying garden. Stay tuned for more information on this event. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. Local authorities have discovered that the garden is starting to decay was all because the temperature across the state of Missouri and Kansas is heating up. The temperature is right now 110 degrees. As of this, drink plenty of water as best as you can, stay home and turn on cool conditioner, and stay safe. The civil authorities have noticed that the crops across the plains have also started to decay, and have discovered one and other people ate the decay plants and started to show symptoms. The following symptoms include headaches, nausea, vomiting blood, diarrhea, stomach ache, brain problems, memory loss, coughing, sneezing, sore throat, fever, and fatigue. If you experience these symptoms, seek medical help, and do not pick up any decayed plants, and as well as eating, this would result in getting these symptoms. Local authorities will be sent to deal with this situation. Stay tuned for more information regarding this situation.
You are listening to KHCC. Today, we have recently heard about the food, crops, and garden crisis that is taking place in the state of Missouri and Kansas. Just recently, there had been many reports of water contamination being reported in the following place in Kansas: Wichita, Manhattan, Overland Park, Emporia, Topeka, Garden City, Dodge City, Littoral, and Great Bend. Do not drink the contaminated water, just only drink water that is prepackaged. Now we are tuning back to the music.
The following message was an administrative message from the United States Environmental Protection. Just recently, there were many reports of crop failure, gardens decaying, and contamination water being reported in the state of Kansas and Missouri, and has now been reported in other states. These states include West Virginia, Florida, Oklahoma, Colorado, South Dakota, North Carolina, South Carolina, Kentucky, Indiana, and Arizona. If you are in these mentioned states, take proper action. Do not drink the contaminated water. Only drink water that is bottled water. Do not eat the decaying plants, as it is most likely that you will be experiencing the symptoms. And water the plants as much as you can. If your plants are starting to decay, water your plant as much as you can. And again, the Environmental Protection Agency will take care of the situation, and tune in to other stations to provide more of updates.
you.